How to check watch history on Axe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check watch history on Axe. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Axe app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings and support. And after that, you just have to tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the section, just tap on your account option at the top. And here, once you're inside, you can just tap on download and archive of your data. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to this section. Now here, you just have to log in to your Axe account if prompted, and with that, you may need to verify your identity using a code sent to your phone or email. So here, just check your Gmail for the verification code, and there, once you've found the code, then you can simply put or type it right in the box. And here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on next. And here, once you see the interface like this, here you'll see the option to request your archive. So simply tap on it to request your full data download, and after that, Axe will prepare your data, which may take some time. And there, once ready, you can simply download the archive to your phone, and there you can open your files app to extract the file, and inside there you'll find your watch history and activity data. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.